I'll just take this one too. This one's the diverter that's going to divert it from there to there. So if it doesn't have a good washer, it's going to do the same thing. It's just going to either half of it's still going to come out of there when it's supposed to be coming up there, or vice versa. So I'm going to go that. Might as well do them all, right?
That one's tight.
Yeah, it is. If this one moves off.
See, that's what happens when his dad buys a new wrench. He has to use it as a belly button tightener to get it loosened up and ready for the big jobs.
Actually, this one doesn't have a washer in it. It's just got that little gear. I've got all my dad's hand-me-down belly button tighteners. Yeah, you probably started coming around whenever you were just a little baby, huh?
Oh, before that.
More like when Levi was a little baby.
How old's Levi?
13.
And he's already sweating pipes and stuff?
Well, actually, it was my 9-year-old, because he was with Sam, and he was the smallest one he could get in that crawl space.
Is he sweating pipes at 9?
Yeah.
That's awesome. He's probably better than me. This, so I'll just have them change out all that stuff.
Washers?
Yep, just the washers, and then these little gaskets. Here's one for him to see. That little gasket right there. And that's what prevents it from seeping out of the front there. You don't even got to take the handle off. Alright, I'll be right back. Or do you want to stick around?